coffee. Still sleepy.
Look at me.
First we need to unbox this one.
This is Wakako Pico Presso, and this has been sold out from stocks from all the sellers in India since last around 8 साल से, because as I remember I used to have one Pico Presso similar to this, and last February March के around I broke it. Then I was not able to find anywhere in India. Like the official importer at that time didn't have it in the stock. And finally I found it in Amazon. And ये कल आया है रात. And let's see what's in the box. Packaging is pretty nice. There is a barista hand tattooed to the साथ. There is this Pico Presso and लिखा हुआ. And then there is second box. Wow. What's the name? Everything comes in this spongy thingy. Let's break out what we have it here. The main body, cover for the water tank, the shower head, the lower ring, a dosing ring for the basket, 18-gram basket, a tamper, a single pin WD-T tool, a cleaning brush, lower cover for body, small hole channeling cover, and a few branding stickers.
When you pack everything up, ये इतना छोटा हो जाता है, very compact.
Or each and every component which I've shown on the screen, it's everything is inside this. And इसके साथ एक छोटा सा कवर आता है जो ऐसा कुछ दिखता है. Chain is similar to our jeans chain, और it fits snugly inside it, and you zip it off. And pretty easy. I've been an owner of Pico Presso like for 1 year before I broke it, obviously, and I haven't had any better espresso
And
from any other manual machines at least.
I think we have also tried for that spare parts, no?
हाँ, spare parts. इसके spare parts available नहीं होते हैं इंडिया में. It's it gets very difficult in that way. And by the way, this is our new coffee station, and मैं नया espresso बनाने ही वाला था कि I just realized I have only these beans. These are the new producer series, lot number 1 from 2025, and those are extremely fruity beans, fermented ones, and those are meant only for
America. नहीं, Aeropress.
हाँ, Aeropress और pour over के लिए यूज़ होता है. यूज़ आएगा मोस्टली. those are very light roast. तो या अभी मॉर्निंग के वैसे ही शूट करते थे. टाइम कितना हो गया मार्ती?
It's 6:49.
It's almost 6:99.
It's 6:49.
हाँ,
6:99 क्या है?
Anyways, let's head out for the ride करने जाते हैं, and let's see if we get some beans from outside. So this is the coffee. El Diablo blend, इनका signature cafe blend है for espressos and all, and this is their label. Just see they have a manufacturing date. For God's sake, you term yourself as a third wave coffee, and manufacturing date of 3/6. Today's date is
20 जुलाई ना 19 जुलाई.
19 जुलाई. चल ये तो झूठ बोल सकती है.
Hey.
तू बता.
19 जुलाई.
19 जुलाई को इनके कैफे में they have a production date of manufacturing date of 3/6/25. No roast date, no nothing. थोड़ा बहुत फ्लेवर नोट्स डाल दिया है. तो this is second wave coffee at its best. Well, just look at the crema. And to be honest, ये पूरा जो crema है ना, it's all my skill and not the beans, क्योंकि 1.5 महीना पुराने beans से इतना crema निकालने के लिए skill चाहिए. Not everything is lost. Just look at the crema, Mahati. So first taste Mahati करेगी.
Okay.
Looks good, right?
Yeah.
So अच्छा लगता है तुझे?
नहीं, मेरे को नहीं अच्छा लगता. But still I'll try.
गरम नहीं होता है एस्प्रेसो, पी सकते हो. वो सिर्फ क्रेमा चाटा है तूने. क्रेमा इज बेसिकली द ऑयल्स एंड ऑल द CO2. अरे गरम नहीं होता है एस्प्रेसो. सो लेट मी टेस्ट इट. वैसे क्रेमा तो बहुत अच्छा है. बहुत फ्लैट है. टेस्ट नोट जो लिखा था वेरी स्लाइटली है, मोस्टली नटी चॉकलेट ही है. तो कंसिस्टेंसी केम आउट वेरी वेल. क्रेमा केम आउट वेरी वेल. ऑल थैंक्स टू दिस लिटिल गाय और मेरा स्किल एंड महाती का सपोर्ट थ्रू आउट. पानी गर्म करना, ग्राइंड करना, शी डिड अ लॉट. मैं आधा ग्राइंड किया, इसने आधा ग्राइंड किया, बिकॉज द C3 डज ग्राइंड द एस्प्रेसो ग्राइंड, बट लगता है एफर्ट और टाइम. सो बाय द वे अब ये टेस्ट करेगी. ऊपर का क्रेमा चले गया है. नाउ शी थिंक्स दैट इट्स कोल्ड.
नहीं, कोल्ड का बात नहीं, मेरे को वो झाग अच्छा नहीं लगता.
इट डजंट लाइक क्रेमा.
इट्स ओके, गुड.
काइंड ऑफ फ्लैट लाइक.
हाँ. सो व्हाट आई डू इज मैं इसमें गर्म पानी डाल के आई ड्रिंक दैट.
इसको अमेरिकानो बोलते हैं. इसको अभी भी ना एरोप्रेस और अमेरिकानो में
फर्क उतना नहीं पता.
एरोप्रेस इज द मशीन मेड इन अमेरिका. अमेरिकानो इज द नेम ऑफ द ड्रिंक.
Okay. So with that, our verdict is this is probably the best manual espresso machine in the market.
That is portable. And this is so small. It literally अगर हम इसको अंदर डालते हैं, just fits in the palm. And the brewing satisfaction in this is really nice. Even इसको मज़ा आता है.
मेरे को मज़ा आता है, but the thing is मेरा हाथ यहाँ, मतलब मेरे उंगलियाँ यहाँ तक नहीं पहुँचता है ऐसा प्रेस करने के लिए. So he only has to make it.
And so one down side of this is लंबे उंगलियाँ होने चाहिए. शॉर्ट हैंड के लिए बड़ा डिफिकल्ट है. So yeah, so that was our unboxing of the Wakaco Pico Presso espresso portable espresso machine. And with that we'll end our video. Hope you like this unboxing video. Probably we have done our first kind of coffee unboxing on this channel. So we'll take a leave from here.
We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, हंसते रहो, हंसाते रहो,
जहाँ भी रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो. Goodbye. Take care.